Now we'll take conformation in cyclic compounds. See cyclic compounds taken, आपको मेन यहाँ देखना है केवल जो आपका सिलेबस में है वो है कंपाउंड आपका साइक्लोहेक्सेन, बट उसको समझने के लिए हमारे पास कुछ और पॉइंट्स हैं, आप उनका ध्यान रखेंगे इसमें। उसके लिए आपको सारे पॉइंट लिखा रहा हूँ। कन्फॉर्मेशन साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स, कन्फॉर्मेशन इन साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स, we can take cyclic compounds can also undergo twisting or bending. Cyclic compounds can twist or bend, to minimize three types of unfavorable interactions which try to decrease stability, the stability of cyclic compounds. Which are three factors or three interactions. One is called as angle strain, second is called as torsion strain, and third can be called as steric strain. So we can have in conformations in cyclic compounds, they can undergo twisting or bending to minimize three kind of strains which are unfavorable. Means these strains, when they're higher, they will make the cyclic compounds or in any compound unstable. In cyclic compounds only we can have factor of angle strain, but remaining factors can be found in even open chain compounds. What this factor will do? This unfavorable interactions which try to decrease the stability of a cyclic compounds. कौन से strain है? One is called angle strain, one is torsion strain, and third is steric strain. Now before we move further, let us take the meaning of these three strains. So you can write down the definitions of three strains first before we move further to explain the effects or even this strains. First write down angle strain. लिखो इसका definition. It arises due to difference of bond angles from desired bond angle of 109 degree 28 minutes. See in the cyclic compounds also, when the carbon atom taken sp3 hybridize, when carbon atom are sp3 hybridize, they require how much bond angle? The angle required for sp3 hybridization is 109 degree 28 minutes. But what actually happens here? In cyclic compounds, all the case bond angle may not be that much. If it is smaller rings or even bigger rings, they will differ from the required bond angle. When the bond angle differ from the desired bond angle, that will cause the strain which is called as angle strain. Strain more means stability less of any category strain. Whenever we have any three strain, higher stability is lower. That is, I hope, clear. I will explain this point to right now. Angle strain it is explained using Beer's strain theory of angle strain and also combustion theory. Let us take next point taken. Second is called torsion strain. It is called torsional strain. ये क्या होता है? लिखो इसका definition. It is caused, इसका meaning क्या है इसका? It is caused by repulsion of bonding electron of one substituent with the bonding electron of nearby substituent. अगला इसमें क्या है? स्टेरिक स्ट्रेन. ये क्या होता है? इट इज कॉज्ड बाय द एटम्स और ग्रुप्स ऑफ एटम्स approaching very close, approaching each other too closely. When the groups are bulkier, especially when they come very close, they have more repulsion. So the repulsion of the groups is more than stability decreases. Like example taken in eclipse conformation of in eclipse conformation of butane, the two methyl group are coming closely, very close in eclipse conformation, so stability was lower. Moreover, if this torsion state can be compared in same compound, if it is taken in even ethane conformation or can take butane conformation, that the eclipse conformations are less stable because the the bonds will be eclipse, the bonding electrons coming closer, so repulsion in the bonding electrons of the neighboring groups will be causing this torsion strain. This strain can be explained in terms of energy. Basically, it is energy type only. Energy is only which is difference or energy arising by this strain. So let us first take the meaning of angle strain using Bayes strain theory and also using heat of combustion theory. Let us come next point here. Now next can be taken here Bayes strain theory that says rings are planar. As per this theory, rings are planar. He considered the cyclic rings, cyclic compounds as planar, and then he told what here? Whenever in the cyclic compound taken all carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized. If carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized, then the required or the desired bond angle is how much? 109.5 degree. So when the compound differ, in cyclic compound the actual angle differ from the required bond angle, they will cause the strain which is called as angle strain. So ring will have angle strain. This can be called ring strain. It depends on the difference of the required angle and the angle which is expected from the geometry taken of the compound. So if I take in cyclopropane, angle can be taken geometrical. If it is planar, 60 degree, desired angle this much, difference banayega this minus this, and then you can see all the table here. 90 degree is angle required for cyclobutane if it is planar ring, and then this cyclopentane, cyclohexane, cycloheptane. In this case, in this inner angles, I hope it is known to you how to find out. This angle can be taken, suppose A, we can find for polygon, all sides equal, planar structures by this formula, 180 degree minus 360 degree divided by n. N is number of sides in polygon. So we can take, as per this theory is concerned, the angle difference is lower, then the ring should be more stable. So as per this theory, cyclopentane should be more stable because the angle difference is least. The desired angle and the actual angle, they have lowest difference. So this should be more stable, but in actuality it is not so. In practical, we can take in the given rings a 6-membered ring, that is cyclohexane is more stable. We take one more theory taken in stability of rings using heat of combustion theory. The heat of combustion theory says that if we have lower heat of combustion per unit of CH2, then the ring is more stable. That gives evidence for the stability of rings. Actually इसका ड्रॉबैक क्या था, इसने कहा कि आपका रिंग प्लेनर होना चाहिए, बट रिंग एक्चुअल में प्लेनर नहीं होती हैं. If it is taken, rings are taken, they acquire different conformation. आपको पढ़ाना है इसके पहले. Let us take some idea of this heat of combustion theory, because sometimes you get an exam question in the following compound which have highest heat of combustion or lower heat of combustion. In that kind of case, we can remember the point heat of combustion will depend on stability inversely. कैसे करते हैं? Let us explain this point to you further. Now, as per combustion theory is concerned, let us first observe data here of heat of combustion of several compounds. Heat of combustion is also an important method here of defining the stability of the compounds. Heat of combustion higher means compound is less stable. Lower heat of combustion indicate compound is more stable. By the way, we can take here all the combustion reactions will be here exothermic in nature, all sign negative. Sign negative I am writing here, but all the reactions taken here of combustion, they are exothermic in nature. In these reactions, heat is released, sign is negative. So I am not writing sign negative here for combustion. Now, as per this theory, see, the heat of combustion overall doesn't have much significance for the compound because they are having different number of carbon atoms. So we take here heat of combustion per CH2 group. We take heat of combustion per CH2 group. So when it is taken heat of combustion of cyclopropane, cyclobutane, pentane, hexane, heptane, all cyclic compounds, the data given of heat of combustion all are negative values. And now we take heat of combustion per CH2 group. Heat of combustion per CH2 group, that explains the stability. When this is taken here, it is having lowest value of cyclohexane. So this heat of combustion indicate that in this compound the stability should be highest for the cyclohexane. See, heat of combustion, I can have two expressions. I'll write next slide. खाली इसमें देख लीजिए आप. तो heat of combustion taken here is lowest value for cyclohexane per CH2 group. Lowest value indicates stability highest of cyclohexane. So difference is more. We can again take here per unit. So we can take the compound stability will be less. So if it is taken first one per CH2 group, difference coming how much? 697 minus this into 3 for 3 CH2 group into 4 for 4 CH2 group. Difference taken here, इसका 0 होता है because this is lowest value, this minus this into any value is 0. And so this compound is supposed to be free of the angle strain. This cyclohexane is supposed to be free of the angle strain. It doesn't have any kind of angle strain. For that region, it is assigned 0 value, or this can be explained in terms of heat of combustion. So all the data you can note here and then see this point or observation. If I just write this part only here, we can see from here that heat of combustion or enthalpy of combustion of compounds, this enthalpy of combustion, first of all it is directly proportional to number of carbon atoms total. When they have more number of C and H atoms, they release more enthalpy in the combustion reactions, and then we can take heat of combustion. It is inversely proportional to stability of the compounds. We take heat of combustion per CH2 group. In cyclic compound, take heat of combustion per CH2 group. If it is lower, then the compound is more stable. You can take cyclohexane, even though have higher value of heat of combustion or enthalpy of combustion, but per CH2 group the value was lowest of enthalpy of combustion, indicating that cyclohexane is more stable in the given compounds. So more the heat of combustion, stability is lower per CH2 group. So this point also is important tool here for the stability of the cyclic compounds. So when they ask question the stability of cyclic compounds, if the data of heat of combustion given or vice versa, means compound आपको दिया है, पूछा है which is more stable, less stable, or which will have higher heat of combustion. Now it is known to you that stability is higher for this compound, bigger instability increases. See the data of heat of combustion per CH2 group, it was decreasing from here to here, and again slightly more here to here. So what we can say, stability is lower, stability higher, higher and highest in these, and again stability of this one is lower compared to this. So this stability can be explained in terms of, now we can take different factors, the angle strain, torsion strain and steric strain. These three factors explain the stability of compounds. Already explained that, told you cyclic compounds can undergo twisting or bending to minimize the three unfavorable strains, which are called as angle strain, torsion strain and the steric strain. तो क्या होते हैं थोड़ा सा देखते हैं अभी एग्जांपल लेकर. See, cyclopropane in cyclic compounds need special attention, because when we have discussed in even this stability of carbocations, we have discussed cyclopropyl, methyl cations are more stabilized. The reason can be explained here also. See, in cyclopropane what happens? In cyclopropane the all, इसको आप लिखने पर नोट कर लीजिए, then explain diagram also. Write down. In cyclopropane the four hybrid orbitals are not equivalent. The two orbitals directed to outside bonds have more s character than sp3 orbitals, while two orbitals involved in the ring bonding have less s character, because for more percentage p character the preferred bond angle is 90 degree. We discuss in chemical bonding also. When we have more p character or pure p character, Drago's rule, then the bond angles will be close to 90 degree, as rather than the one angle of 109.5 degree. When the hybridization could have been sp3, the required bond angle is how much? 109 degree 28 minutes or 5 minutes. The external orbitals have approximately 33% of s character. The external bonds or orbitals have approximately 33% s character, so they can be nearly sp2 hybridized, while the internal orbitals, they have approximately 17% of s character, so they can be called as sp5 orbitals. अब देखो ना कि 17 आपका हुआ s what is p character, remaining 83%, so total can be taken nearly 100%. is in that case this s can be how much? 1/6 only. So you can take here, so 1s and 5p combination can be given rise to sp5 orbitals. अब आप कहें सर 5 तो p होता ही नहीं है. It is actually by calculations. Okay, when we have percentage s character 17%, so the remaining is taken p character 83%. That can give rise to hybridization, which can be called as, which may be called as sp5 orbitals. Also from the molecular orbital calculations, they also indicate that the maximum electron density of cc bonds, carbon-carbon sigma orbitals, is bent away from the ring with angle taken nearly 9.4 degree. These are called bent orbitals. These are called bent orbitals, and आगे लिख लीजिए, and these are intermediate between that of sigma and pi bonds. These are intermediate between that of sigma and pi bonds. ठीक है? In fact, in many cases, this cyclopropane resembles alkenes or alkynes. Like it can give the test of unsaturation. It can decolorize solution of KMnO4. It can undergo addition reaction with hydrogen to form propane easily. It can undergo general electrophilic addition reactions as well. So cyclopropane, the bonds can be taken nearly resembling strength-wise p orbitals. If I take the diagram, if you take in cyclopropane, this angle we can take bending angle is taken 21 degree. That is indicating bent orbitals. Electron density is bent from this angle by 21 degree. That is given here. Now in this case, if I take cyclopropane by overlapping of orbitals, they are forming sigma orbital, sigma bonds. And this is taken four orbitals taken. These can be taken nearly sp2 hybridization, and this can be taken sp5. So it is sp5 orbitals. So they form the bond which can be called sp5 orbitals overlapping. इसका रीजन क्या है कि the orbitals are not in the same plane. If I just draw the separate diagram here, it can be taken bond forming orbitals, and this is hydrogen taken here. So if it is taken here, electron density is not exactly in this way. So this bond is bent here, and angle taken, when the angle is lower, the bonds will have more p character, because for more p character the angle become 90 degree. Preferred angle is 90 degree. To attain that angle, the orbitals which are forming rings are having more p character or less s character, while the bonds taken here or the orbitals taken here, they will form more. They will have more s character. If I take here this s character or p character, this is already given sp2 orbitals nearly, because of these bonds are having more s character as compared to these bonds. If I just can recall hybridization in chemical bonding, when we have sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp4, sp5. If I just write here, in this case what the angle taken here, or in this case what is percentage S character and angle bond angles. For sp bond angle is what is percentage S character 50%, in this case 33.3% or 33% right approximately. It is 25%, 20%, it is 17%. So angle also will change accordingly. For SP we have discussed angle was how much, 180 degree. In this case angle is how much here, 120 degree. Angle is 109.5 degree. Angle will decrease here further. Okay, when the percentage S character decrease, the bond angle decrease. So angles are much lower in this case. It is nearly taken here 102 degree. So angle will decrease with decreasing S character in the hybrid orbitals. It is required also because the ring is having high angle strain if it is exactly sp3 hybridized. So by having more P character, angle strain can be decreased to some extent. So it is a method of decreasing angle strain to some extent. They are the bent orbitals. They are the bent orbitals of cyclopropane ring. These bent orbitals, they can take part in pi bond formation if your next carbon have vacant p orbitals. तो वो आपको आएगा स्टेबिलिटी में, आपको जो था ना उसमें पढ़ा था हमने कटाइन का स्टेबिलिटी में, तो ये आपको हुआ बेसिक आइडियाज का साइक्लोप्रोपेन रिंग का स्टेबिलिटी के लिए. अब इसमें आपके दो टाइप के बॉन्ड होते हैं. एक होता है वन बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड एज this kind of bonds which is forming the ring are called as endocyclic bonds, and the bond which is away from the ring is called as exocyclic bond. It is outside bond called exocyclic bonds, which from the ring are called as endocyclic bonds or internal bonds, or which is the forming ring. This angle taken or this angle, they are not same. So I hope it is clear this cyclopropane. Now if cyclopropane ring is nearly planar, now coming on the stability of the ring and this phenomena of conformation again. Now coming back to phenomena of conformation. In conformation of cyclopropane, stability is lowest among different conformation of cyclic compounds. Stability is lowest. Reason क्या होता है? It has high angle strain, and also will have, we can take hydrogen which are eclipsed, they will cause torsional strain. In cyclopropane, we have 6 pair of hydrogens in eclipse conformation, which arise due to 6 pair of hydrogens in eclipse conformation. If I take cyclopropane structure wise, we will have all the hydrogens in this case in eclipse conformation. This hydrogen can repel by this hydrogen and this hydrogen also. So you can take each hydrogen, they will have 6 pairs of hydrogen in eclipse conformation. कैसे आपका होगा? If I try to explain by model, if it is model of cyclopropane, you can see here, it is a 3-membered ring. It is having some bent orbitals. You can say ring is not exactly planar also. So if it is taken hydrogens, I'm writing now this way. You can see this way here. Now this hydrogen repel this hydrogen, one more hydrogen. So this hydrogen repel 2 more hydrogen. So this hydrogen also repel this and this. This repel this and this. So we will have how many pair? 1, 2, 3. कॉमन द्वारा काउंट नहीं करना आपको है. कॉमन एक बार काउंट करेंगे, इट रिपेल दिस 1 then 2 and then 3, 1 2 then 3, and bottom again by symmetry 1 2 and 3. So 3 pair up, 3 pair downward. This way can take in cyclobutane. They will have 6 pair of hydrogens in the eclipse conformation, due to which the stability will be lower, and main factor for the stability is in this case is what here, angle strain. Due to high angle strain, the stability of cyclopropane is lowest in different rings. First point is clear. Now next can be taken cyclobutane. Now coming in conformation of cyclobutane. Cyclobutane is what? If the ring is planar, then it can have more torsion strain. लिख लिया इसमें write down. देखिए, although it has less angle strain than cyclopropane, it has more torsion strain because it has 8 pairs of eclipse hydrogen compared with 6 pairs in cyclopropane. Already discussed in cyclopropane we have 6 pair of hydrogens in eclipse conformation. So if this ring is planar, then what happen? They will have 8 pair of hydrogens in the eclipse conformation. And when we have hydrogen atoms eclipse conformation, they repel. The bonding electron pair are repelling. The repulsion of bond pairs is causing what? The torsion strain. Now what happened for this region? In cyclobutane, one CH2 group is bent at an angle of 25 degree from the plane of the other 3 CH2 groups. Meaning even cyclobutane is not planar. Cyclobutane is not planar. One CH2 is bent at an angle of 25 degree from the plane of other 3 CH2 groups. इससे होता क्या है? It increase some angle strain but decrease the overall torsion strain, because we have pair of hydrogens which were eclipsed, now they become staggered, so it decrease the repulsion of the bond pairs, or that is causing repulsion of the torsion strain. How it is there in cyclobutane, I have explained by model. Now this can be taken confirmed as cyclobutane. I just drawn one CH2, it is bent, so I'm just writing 2 hydrogens green color, rest all hydrogen white, all black are carbon atoms in the model. So now what happened? This is cyclobutane. Now if the cyclobutane ring is planar, then they can have 8 pair of hydrogens in eclipse conformation. कैसे होगा? काउंट कर लीजिए, 1, then you can take 2, 3, 4 upside and 4 downward here. So this can have 8 pair of hydrogens which will be eclipse type or which will have repulsion, or they will cause torsion strain. So what happen? One CH2 is bent by an angle 25 degree. ऐसे थोड़ा bent हो जाएगा इसमें. When one CH2 is bent, then what happened? The hydrogen which were earlier eclipsed, now they will not remain eclipsed. It will cause some increase in angle strain. So some angle strain increase but it decrease torsion strain. So then what happened? When they decrease torsion strain, the stability will be increased slightly. So even the cyclobutane ring is not planar. One CH2 is bent by angle of 25 degree from the plane of 3 CH2 groups. 3 कौन से हैं? 1, 2, 3 in the same plane. One CH2 is not in the same plane. It is bent. I hope it is clear. Cyclobutane. Next can be taken cyclopentane. तो आप पहले नोट कर लीजिए cyclopentane के बारे में. राइट डाउन. देखिए, it cyclopentane also puckers. Puckers means structure is irregular, distortion in the structure is puckers. Cyclopentane also puckers so that hydrogens are nearly staggered. Nearly staggered. Full stop. It acquires some angle strain in doing so. This puckered structure is also called as envelope conformation. This puckered structure is also called as envelope conformation because the shape resemble squarish envelope with flap up. Shape resemble squarish envelope with flap up. कैसे होता है? If I take the cyclopentane in conformation wise, model wise, आपका ये cyclopentane दिया हुआ है. Even if it is a planar ring, then what should happen? They will have more angle strain. They will have more hydrogens in the eclipse conformation. So they will cause more torsional strain. So what happen? They will have arrangement which is called open envelope. In this case, one CH2 slightly this way here. So what happen? The one CH2 group means it is square shape. आप देखिए आपके लिए square हुआ. This is forming square shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 side of square, and it is slightly bent. कैसे होगा? Flap up. आपका ना if you take envelope, उसका अगर फ्लैप को ओपन तो कैसा दिखेगा? ऐसे दिखेगा स्ट्रक्चर में. तो इससे होता क्या है कि इट इंक्रीज एंगल स्ट्रेन. द एंगल इज not exactly in this case 108 degree. In cyclobutane also angle is not 90 degree all the angles. They undergo some twisting or bending to minimize the overall interactions which are unfavorable, trying to make compound unstable. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, इसमें एक आपका बेंड हो जाएगा, so क्या हुआ, it will decrease torsion strain. This hydrogen becomes stagger type. When they decrease torsion strain, stability increase, but in doing so angle strain slightly increase because angle will be slightly decrease. लिखा ना squarish envelope, तो angle slightly decreases, that can increase or improve some angle strain, but it decrease torsion strain. For this reason cyclopentane is even not planar. आप देखो ना, आपका cyclopropane ring only was planar, but remaining rings are not planar. Bare strain theory fails here. So that's example taken. Now next can be taken cyclohexane. For us cyclohexane is most important. Cyclohexane is free from such kind of angle strain, or you can take even this torsion strain, and some case only they will have steric strain. In cyclohexane we can have different conformations. In that different conformations of cyclohexane, the most important one taken or most stable one taken is your chair conformation. So let us come now on cyclohexane conformations. For us they are more important. In exam you get question from only conformations of cyclohexane. Now if I take conformation in cyclohexane, conformation of cyclohexane, now in cyclohexane we can have different conformations. Among them the stable one taken is conformation of chair conformation. So when you draw the chair conformation, you can draw with me how to draw the chair conformation. देखिए, you can draw two parallel lines. तो drawing में problem तो अच्छा होगा, तो draw two parallel lines. Draw the letter V, left arm bigger, right arm short. Letter V, victory, V for victory. Left arm longer, right arm shorter. Then उल्टा V draw कर लीजिए. Now left arm short, right arm bigger. So this can be taken cyclohexane chair conformation. Now then draw the bonds up and down. इसमें क्या होता है कि आपका अगर बॉन्ड ऊपर जाएगा तो आप बॉन्ड को ऊपर ड्रॉ करेंगे यहाँ पर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सियल बॉन्ड्स. अगर आपके बॉन्ड नीचे जाएंगे तो आपका बॉन्ड नीचे आएगा इसमें. फिर से आपका बॉन्ड ऊपर जा रहा है तो बॉन्ड को ऊपर ड्रॉ करेंगे यहाँ पे. फिर आपका बॉन्ड नीचे आ रहा है तो आपका बॉन्ड नीचे आएगा इसमें. फिर आपका बॉन्ड ऊपर जाएगा तो आप बॉन्ड ऊपर ड्रॉ करेंगे इसमें. You have taken 6 hydrogens. This red hydrogen is taken here. यहाँ भी आपका एक बॉन्ड नीचे आएगा. The bonds coming downward, so it is coming downward here. ठीक है? तो there are 6 hydrogens which are called as axial hydrogens. They are called axial hydrogens or axial position. All the red one. Then we can draw the other we have 6 hydrogens axial, then we have 6 hydrogen more equatorial. कैसे होते हैं इसको पहले देखो ध्यान से एक बार. यहाँ पे बॉन्ड होगा, यहाँ पे बॉन्ड होगा, they are parallel. Then to this bond, when this bond is parallel, you can again see here. Now to this bond is parallel. This is parallel bond. This to this parallel, this to this parallel. And then for this bond is parallel. Then to this bond is parallel. And to this bond is parallel. And this bond are parallel. So this is second 6 more hydrogens. I am writing black color. So in this case red hydrogen all taken are called axial hydrogens. And this black hydrogen taken here are called equatorial hydrogens. In this chair, it is called chair conformation of cyclohexane. In the cyclohexane chair conformation, they have all the bond angles, all bond angles. (111°), not 120°. Ring is not planar. All the angles are 111°. So this ring is free from angle strain. The ring is released from the angle strain, so free from angle strain. And then we can take in this case all hydrogens staggered. So this also minimized, or can take free from the torsion strain. Free from torsion strain. That is chair conformation of cyclohexane. It is drawn in this conformation. It is called as Sawhorse conformation. Sawhorse conformation of this chair conformation Sawhorse compound cyclohexane. It is front carbon, back carbon. If I draw this same chair conformation in case of according to Newman projections, so how I draw this in Newman projections? You can take numbering. Carbon number, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how I draw this in Newman projections? Draw two circles indicating back carbons. All you can take all the H are staggered. All the H or all the bonds are staggered. So staggered conformation for two atom I'll draw. It is back carbon. Connecting back carbons. Then it is front carbons. Connecting with front carbons. The group at front carbon visible to you. I'm writing here hydrogens. I'm just writing hydrogens only. Remaining also will have hydrogens. These two carbons have more hydrogens which are not drawn in this diagram here. If I take positions numbering wise, it is front carbon number 1, circle taken back carbon number 2, this is front carbon number taken 5, this carbon taken carbon number 4, the back carbon, 4th number carbon, this carbon taken here at carbon number 2 and 4 are attached to carbon number 3, it is carbon number 3, carbon 1 and 5 attached to carbon number 6, it is carbon number 6. Carbon 3, carbon 6, 1, 5. That way the arrangement can be shown to you of the given atoms. The both are taken chair conformation. It is as per Newman projections. Newman conformation chair only. Both are chair conformation. You can see here much more clearly that the all hydrogens in the staggered conformation. When all H are staggered, the ring is free from angle strain or free from torsion strain as well, because angles are also all equal to 111 degree. We have thought that if ring is planar as per Bayes strain theory, then the bond angle should be 120 degree. But in this case, bond angle is not 120 degree, but the bond angle is 111 degree. तो क्या होगा, बहुत पास में है जितना रिक्वायर्ड हुआ हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के अकॉर्डिंग, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि दिस रिंग इज फ्री फ्रॉम एंगल स्ट्रेन. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. Now, it is conformation of cyclohexane. Now, cyclohexane we can write in two kind of chair conformation by ring flip. One term is taken ring flip in cyclohexane. उसको देख लेते हैं अभी. Now, next can be taken in cyclohexane ring flip. This is quite important term, ring flip, especially for advanced level things. In ring flip, what happens? There is interconversion of two equivalent chair conformations. Two equivalent chair conformation, one to second form. It is one way of writing chair conformation. We have one more way of writing chair conformation. How to write second chair conformation? You can think upon carbon number 1. It is pushed up, and carbon number taken here 4th is pulled down. Pulled down. carbon 4 pushed up, carbon number 1 is pushed up, carbon number 4 is pulled down. So what happens? They will form one more ring conformation, chair conformation. इस टाइप का मिलेगा आपको. Draw again. देखिए आपका अप्रोच सेम है ड्रॉ करने के लिए. Draw two parallel lines first. Again letter V. Now in this case left arm short, right arm bigger. नाउ उल्टा, इसमें भी उल्टा भी ड्रॉ करेंगे. लेफ्ट आर्म बिगर, राइट आर्म शॉर्ट. थोड़ा एकदम सेम नहीं बना बट बी से इट इज सेम. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर द रिंग फ्लिप, द पोजीशंस एक्सचेंज. आफ्टर द रिंग फ्लिप, ड्यूरिंग रिंग फ्लिप, द एक्सियल पोजीशंस और ग्रुप्स become equatorial, and vice versa. These hydrogens which are axial, now they become equatorial, and the hydrogens which were earlier equatorial, now they become axial. So I draw here. बाकी आपका अप्रोच सेम है. अगर आपका बॉन्ड ऊपर जाएगा बॉन्ड्स तो आपका बॉन्ड ऊपर रहेगा. अगर आपके बॉन्ड नीचे है तो आपका बॉन्ड नीचे आएगा. इसमें यहाँ भी सेम है. बॉन्ड ऊपर तो ऊपर रखेंगे इसको, पोजीशन को है नीचे, फिर से ऊपर, फिर से नीचे आएगा. द हाइड्रोजन्स व्हिच वर अर्लियर इक्वेटोरियल, नाउ दे बिकम एक्सियल, एंड द हाइड्रोजन व्हिच वर हियर एक्सियल, नाउ दे बिकम इक्वेटोरियल. इसका अप्रोच कैसे ड्रॉ करने का हुआ? इसके सामने बॉन्ड ये होगा, पैरेलल होगा इसमें. दिस बॉन्ड इज पैरेलल, दिस बॉन्ड पैरेलल, दिस बॉन्ड पैरेलल, and we can take for this bond also this bond is parallel, this bond is parallel. So during the ring flip, the axial group will convert to equatorial groups and vice versa. That happen in the given case, conformation of cyclohexane during ring flip. And I hope it is clear. Ring flip, fine. That is conformation taken of cyclohexane in chair. Both are called chair conformation. दोनों same है, chair conformation of same stability. For the both the conformation stability is equal. We have two equivalent chair conformation for cyclohexane drawn this way here. Now for cyclohexane, other important conformation taken is boat conformation. Now before you take boat conformation, I will show through model this conformation. Now it is taken cyclohexane. If you take ring is nearly planar, I am try to draw here, but ring is not planar even then. Now in this case, they can have two extreme case. I am just writing first only. I am showing you the conformation of cyclohexane chair conformation. This can be taken chair conformation. आपका चेयर आपका है ऐसे, मान लीजिए आपका ये देखिए, वी हैव ड्रॉन 4 bonds in the nearly plane, 4 bonds, 1 2 3 4, and this is chair, one upside here, it is one side down here. ये आपका अप वाला है पोजीशन, और आपका ये आपका बॉन्ड कैसा है, पोजीशन डाउन वाला है. ये आपका नंबर 1 कार्बन है, ये कार्बन नंबर 4 है, 1 and 4. So now you can take here, we have 3 hydrogens which are in this case axial, 3 hydrogen downward, white one also axial, and green hydrogens are all taken equatorial. All the green hydrogens are equatorial. समझ में आ रहा है? Now if I take here ring flip, in ring flip what happens? It was carbon number 4, it is pulled down, and the carbon number 1 is pushed up. It is one more chair conformation. You can see here. Now 3 hydrogens, green hydrogens which were equatorial, now they become axial, up, and 3 down also. 1 2 3 hydrogens which were earlier axial, now they become equatorial. दोनों chair है. अभी आपके था 1 is pulled down, 4th pushed up. See, in conformation, I'm not breaking any bond. I'm not breaking any bond. I'm just shifting this done here. So hydrogens which were earlier equatorial, they become axial, and vice versa. By the ring flip of the two flips, they are of same stability in cyclohexane. So stability same is for the reaction. If at all they ask the value of K equilibrium, reactions equilibrium constant will be equal to 1 in this two chair conformation. So that is why ring flip. If I suppose again take a ring flip, इसको हम नीचे खींचेंगे और इसको हम ऊपर पुश करेंगे, इसको फोर्थ को. So what happened again? See here, the green hydrogens which were axial, now they become equatorial. I'm not changing other only, I'm just changing these two groups only. आप कैसे किया इसको है, ऊपर किया इसको, फिर नीचे कर देंगे इसको है, फिर से देखेंगे आप यहाँ पे. So this way the chair conformations can be explained in two conformations, two chair conformation of same stability. It is as per Sawhorst conformations. Okay, or Newman already explained to you. Now for the cyclohexane other conformation called as Bode conformation. Bode कैसे आता है, इसी में आपको दिखाता हूँ. ये आपको हुआ Bode conformation. Bode आपने देखा ही है. It is Bode conformation. The two hydrogens are coming very close, and the hydrogens will be nearly eclipsed in several points. So in the Bode conformation, stability is less as compared to chair conformation. Let us draw the Bode conformation. In Bode conformation, both can be taken Bode conformations in cyclohexane. Shape resemble both are called Bode conformation. In this Bode conformation, all angles are all equal. So the ring is free from angle strain. Free from angle strain. Free from angle strain, but stability is even less compared to chair. Reason क्या होता है? Hydrogens are eclipsed. When they have hydrogens eclipsed, they will cause torsion strain. They will cause torsion strain, and also can say in this case they have flagpole hydrogens. If I write the two hydrogens, red one, and I can write them HF. HF indicating what? Flagpole hydrogens. These two H are flagpole hydrogens. That the flagpole hydrogens are close so they will cause steric strain. So the chair conformation of cyclohexane stability is less compared to Bode conformation because we have several group of hydrogens are in eclipse conformation. Moreover, we have flagpole hydrogens are much closer. They will also have repulsion. The repulsion in the flagpole hydrogens will cause steric strain. Hydrogens which are eclipsed, they will cause torsion strain. Both the case, like in the chair, the ring is free from angle strain, in this case as well. Okay, if I draw the boat, already explained to you, you can take the boat conformation from here. आपका बोट में आपका ये 4 एटम होंगे forming the base, and this is one upside, one down. There are 2 flagpole hydrogens. They are much closer, so they have repulsion. Repulsion in this flagpole hydrogen is causing what here? Steric strain. And then they have several hydrogens in eclipse conformation. They will also cause what here? They will cause torsion strain. Angles are all equal in this case also, equal to 111 degree. So the ring is free from angle strain. In cyclohexane, we can write 2 more conformation. One is called half chair and one is called twist boat. तो कैसे होते हैं आपको मैं I'll explain the first energy diagram for that, and then model wise I'll explain to you. Now in cyclohexane we can have different conformations. We have taken 2 extreme cases of lowest energy or stability highest, 2 chair conformation. Now when you take chair conformation, we can have other conformation: half chair, twist boat, boat, again twist boat, again half chair, and then chair. So when you take rotation done of the different positions here, they can give rise to what we can call here as 4 conformations. आपकी 2 important हैं, एक तो आपका बोट और आपका एक चेयर, बट फिर भी आपको 4 बार दिखा देता हूँ उसमें कैसे आप देखें 3D और एक्चुअल मॉडल के अंदर है all 3 conformations. देख लीजिए all 4 conformations. पहला क्या है? चेयर conformation. If I draw chair, it is chair conformation taken. When this chair conformation taken here, we have 1 hydrogen, 1 and 4 positions. तो इसमें क्या किया हमने? If it is taken same here, we have done pushing 1 up. So this is what we can say here become half chair conformation. In half chair we can take this 5 atoms become nearly planar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 atoms are nearly planar, same plane. When 5 atoms are nearly in same plane, that angle become we can take change around 120 आपका आना चाहिए, उससे कुछ कम रहेगा, but angle increases on these positions. So this angle change will cause angle strain. Then we take hydrogens become nearly eclipse. When we have this pair of hydrogen become nearly eclipse, they will cause high torsional strain. Due to increased torsional strain, one part of ring is nearly planar. That's the reason for this. Okay, when the one part of ring is nearly planar, they will cause high torsional strain, and also they will cause hydrogens will be eclipse conformation, and that cause torsion strain, and the angles will be affected here. That will cause the angle strain. So among different conformation of cyclohexane, for the half chair stability is lowest. You can say this is the one plane. Now then you can take here twist boat. Before we have boat conformation, we can have twist boat here. It is further done up here. So something like this is visible to you. Neither full boat, not full half chair type. So in this case, it is called twist boat conformation. In twist boat conformation, we have hydrogens also. Nearly we can take here. Hydrogen can be taken nearly, not eclipse or entirely, or not staggered also entirely. In twist boat, when they have boat conformation, in the boat conformation, atom come much closer. Though this boat already stability is lower compared to chair, and even compared to twist boat, it is less stable. क्यों? In twisting of the boat, what happened? Some of the hydrogens which were eclipsed, now they become staggered. Some of the hydrogens which were eclipsed, now they become staggered. That decreased torsion strain. Angles also will be slightly changed, but that will be main cause here, decreasing torsion strain. One twist boat here, this one. Second twisting can be this one here. We have two twist boat here. One, second twist boat. I hope it is visible to you. Twist boat conformations in cyclohexane, and then it is full boat conformation. So twist boat stability is lower, stability is higher as compared to boat, because in twist boat conformation, several hydrogens which were eclipsed, they will move away. They become staggered, and flagpole hydrogens will also move away, decreasing steric strain. So compared to boat, the twist boat is more stable or energy lower. Again we get one more half chair. आपका second आपका ऐसे आएगा half chair, and then second chair आपका ऐसे आएगा. आपका 2 chair था, आपका एक chair ऐसे था पहला वाला, and second आपका chair ऐसे जाएगा इसमें. ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा टूट गया, कोई बात नहीं है. तो आपका 2 चेयर आएगा इसमें. एक आपका ये चेयर था, ऐसे एक चेयर हुआ, एंड सेकंड चेयर कैन बी डन दिस वे. So two, you can have chair conformations of same stability, two half chair of highest energy और lowest stability. ठीक है, एनर्जी हाईएस्ट है, स्टेबिलिटी सबसे कम होगा, फिर बोर्ड का है, फिर ट्विस्ट बोर्ड का है, फिर चेयर का है. जो आपका ऑर्डर एनर्जी का है उसका ऑर्डर उल्टा आएगा स्टेबिलिटी के लिए. एंड आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. स्टेबिलिटी, after the stability of the chair or different conformation of cyclohexane, we can take identification of cis trans isomer in cyclohexane when the compound given in the chair conformation, because in many times in fact we should write the cyclohexane not as planar rings, just write planar rings for simplicity, only for simplicity, but actually we should write cyclohexane in the chair conformation which is more stable. So when they give compound in chair conformation, they asked to identify cis trans isomer. कैसे करते हैं? Let us see. Identification of cis trans isomers in cyclohexane conformation. Now I will explain this through one question. One example, for a different chair conformations. Different kind of chairs. Then I can place the groups here. In these examples, you identify yourself. First, try yourself. Cis trans identification. If I write numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 compounds you identify as cis and trans isomers. You first try yourself. Now coming on solution part और आंसर part. देखिए इसमें क्या होता है, बच्चे गलती करते हैं कि उन्होंने बोला क्या है इसका आंसर cis. क्योंकि CL सेम साइड पे cis हो गया, but it is not cis, it is trans. How to identify? बहुत simple है. If the same group are moving in same direction means either up or down, then it is cis. The same group moving same direction is cis. इसमें same group कहाँ पे है? एक नीचे आ रहा है, एक ऊपर जा रहा है. एक नीचे एक ऊपर means opposite. तो क्या हुआ इसमें? trans. तो पहले क्या आपका हो जाएगा इसमें? trans. क्योंकि एक Cl नीचे जा रहा है और एक Cl ऊपर जा रहा है, इसको बोलते हैं अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस, दे आर मूविंग, सो इट इज ट्रांस. यहां पर क्या है, एक Cl ऊपर एक Cl नीचे है, तो ट्रांस. सेकंड भी ट्रांस हो गया. अगले में क्या है, एक Cl ऊपर है, एक Cl और ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर मींस सिस. अगर सेम ग्रुप का डायरेक्शन सेम है, बोथ ऊपर होंगे, दोनों नीचे होंगे, तो क्या होता है? सिस. अगर एक ऊपर एक नीचे है, किसी भी डायरेक्शन पोजीशन पे लगा हो, एक ऊपर जा रहा है और एक नीचे आ रहा है, तो क्या होगा? ट्रांस. दैट इज सिंपल वे टू आइडेंटिफाई. यहां पे क्या है, दोनों Cl कहां पे आ रहे हैं? एक ऊपर है, ये भी ऊपर जा रहा है, तो ऊपर मींस सिस. यहां पे क्या है, एक OH ऊपर, एक OH और ऊपर, दोनों का ऊपर जा रहे हैं मींस सिस. तो फोर्थ का हुआ सिस. 5 का हुआ एक नीचे आ रहा है, एक नीचे, दोनों नीचे जा रहे हैं, तो ये आपका जाएगा इसमें सिस. यहाँ पे एक Cl नीचे आ रहा है, ये भी नीचे आ रहा है, बिकॉज क्या है ना, Cl कमिंग डाउनवर्ड मींस सिस. तो आई होप इट इज क्लियर. cis trans identification in cyclohexane chair conformation of compounds. आई होप इट इज क्लियर। ठीक है, चलिए, तो ये हमारा यहाँ तक हुआ। अब हम नेक्स्ट लेंगे इसमें रिंग फ्लिप, व्हेन वी हैव सिंगल ग्रुप्स और टू ग्रुप्स इन दैट आइडेंटिफिकेशन of stability order. Now we take next example taken here. In cyclohexane we are having one substituent methyl group in two positions. One taken is equatorial positions. We have taken this methyl group here. Methyl group is at equatorial position, and in second case we have methyl group at axial position. This is methyl at axial position. Now, question given, in the two conformations of cyclohexane, which one is more stable? The student normally think that this is more stable. The methyl group is axial, so this should be more stable. But what is given here? That in the two conformations of cyclohexane, this is more stable conformation as compared to this. Remember, whenever we have any group, single group in the equatorial positions, then the group is more stabilized as compared to when the same group is present at the axial positions, especially if it is bulky. क्यों होता है? It is because of the region taken. We call them 1,3 diaxial interactions. Now, before we go for these interactions, in the question they may ask you the value of reaction K equilibrium or the reaction equilibrium constant. It is equal to 1, more than 1, or less than 1. If suppose we have two conformations of same stability, then the value of K equilibrium will be equal to 1. If the product is more stabilized, then the value of K equilibrium will be more than 1. And when we have reactant more stable, like in this case, then for the reaction the value of K equilibrium will be less than 1. Getting this point? Now the region is taken called as 1,3 diaxial interactions. You can note down this definition or the interaction meaning. आप लोगों को नोट कर लीजिए. राइट डाउन क्या है? 3 axial bonds on the same side of the ring are parallel to each other. So any axial substituent will be too close to the other axial substituents on other two carbon atoms. Full stop. Because the interacting substituents are on 1,3 positions relative to each other, these unfavorable interactions are called as 1,3 diaxial interactions. These unfavorable interactions, they are unfavorable means when they are more, they make the system or compound unstable, or they try to make the structure unstable, destabilize. So that is unfavorable interactions are called as 1,3 diaxial interactions. Getting this meaning? No. Let me explain through diagram. If I take conformation of cyclohexane, for drawing I told you the simple approach, draw two parallel lines. It is taken carbon, you have hydrogen, your hydrogen taken here, one more we have hydrogen atom here. Now what happened? The methyl group will have hydrogens. These hydrogens are coming much close to these hydrogens which are on same side, so they will have repulsion. This repulsion of the methyl group for the two hydrogen atom on the same side of the axial positions will be called as 1,3 diaxial interactions. Why 1,3 only? See, if I name this position as 1, then it is second, it is third position, or it is second, it is third position, or if it is 1, then it is 1, 2, 3 positions. Means out of total 6 axial positions, 3 axial bonds are on same side upside and 3 are on the downward direction. So what happen? If one of the group is bigger, the bigger group will cause more repulsion for the two group on the same side. These interactions are repulsions. They are repulsions. These unfavorable repulsions or interactions are called as 1,3 diaxial interactions, and they will make the system unstable, or they try to make system destabilized. Are you getting this point? That is what we can take here. Interaction or 1,3 diaxial interactions mean. If I take the this meaning through model, suppose this is taken, already explained to you, conformation of cyclohexane. We have taken 6 atom 1, 2, 3. We can take, we have 3 hydrogen on same side. You take any, if you take, suppose taken chair conformation, it is chair conformation. In chair conformation, 3 hydrogens are on same side. Then 3 hydrogens will be also downward same side. Now I will take one group methyl on the same side. You can see from your side here, it is methyl group, 1 carbon, 3 hydrogens. So what happened? Out of 3 hydrogen taken here, 2 hydrogen can be away, but 1 hydrogen coming much close to the 2 more axial hydrogens on the same side of the ring. देखो ना, आपका 3 hydrogens are same side and 3 on the same side again. So for this carbon, it is position number 1, second, third position, or it is 1, 2, 3 positions. So interacting group are present at 1, 3 positions with respect to each other. So it is called as 1, 3 diaxial interactions. Axial same side, 1 repel 2 more on same side of, or we can take on the axial positions. So this repulsion will do what? Will make system unstable or less stable. The system is stability less means reaction try to go in that direction where stability can increase. So that was the reason. Whenever we have any group in the axial positions, and if they can't take part in like hydrogen bonding, then such a system is less stable. If this methyl group is going in the equatorial positions, then it decrease these 1, 3 diaxial interactions, and therefore the stability of system can be increased. Are you getting this point? Fine. Now it is a case when we have single group, and a single group and then 2 group. What kind of question can be given to us? Let us discuss now. Okay. In the given case, if I take suppose question आपको दे दिया है, the group taken suppose R, reaction taken of ring flip. After ring flip, what happens? The group axial become equatorial and vice versa. I'm just writing the group this way here. There's a reaction taken. Now question is given here. In the given case, the value of for the reaction taken, the value of K equilibrium, that the reaction equilibrium constant will be maximum when R is, आपको ऑप्शन ए दिया है मिथाइल ग्रुप, बी दिया है इथाइल ग्रुप CH3 CH2, सी ग्रुप आपको दिया है आइसोप्रोपाइल ग्रुप, और आपको ग्रुप डी दिया है इसमें टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप. ग्रुप डी आपको दिया टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप. In which case the value of K equilibrium will be maximum in this question. Can you tell the answer? Okay, let's come on answer part here, solution part. In this case, the value of K equilibrium depend on the stability of 2 conformations. Now, when we have bulky group coming in the axial positions, then the system is less stable or stability decrease further as compared to when the bulky group is going in the equatorial positions in all the cases. Now, when we take bulky group among them is D, it will cause maximum 1,3 diaxial interactions. It will cause maximum 1,3 diaxial interactions. When the repulsion are maximum by this position here, then what happens? Stability will be more, or the compound cannot remain in this arrangement. Compound cannot remain in this conformation, so it undergo ring flip, and the group axial now become here equatorial after ring flip. That is what we can take in this case will happen. So that is the case when we take single substituent in the benzene ring. If the benzene have 2 substituents, Then how to compare the stability of different conformations? Now if it is taken some case of di substituted rings, cyclohexanes, conformations. When the ring of two substituents, then for different conformation, what can be stability order? Now I can take here 4 arrangements, 2 trans and 2 cis type. If I take R is let's say methyl group here, 1, second structure, both are trans. Now both are cis here. Third and fourth arrangement. In the given conformation, can you tell the stability order? Try yourself. Now coming on solution और आंसर पार्ट, देखो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. If I take इसमें दो क्या है, फर्स्ट सेकंड दोनों ट्रांस हैं. The two groups same going opposite is trans. One down, one up is opposite. Both are on same side, both downward direction or both up direction, both are same sides, so cis conformations. Now in the given scissor trans arrangement, in the given case, what should be stability order of the compounds? Let us see. देखिए stability क्या होता है? In such cases, the stability order will depend on the 1,3 diaxial interactions. If we have maximum 1,3 diaxial interactions, the stability become lowest. Use that point. In this case, both methyl are axial. The stability for this is lowest because they will have maximum 1,3 diaxial interactions. देखिए हाइड्रोजन आपका सेम साइड पे होगा. They will have among them 1,3 diaxial interaction. Also the hydrogen downward directions. They will have in this case diaxial interactions. यहाँ पे क्या है? Both methyl group are equatorial. Least 1,3 diaxial interactions. So for the second structure, the stability is maximum because out of 3 and 4 both, they have 1 methyl axial common, 1 methyl equatorial common. So when we have 2 methyl common, like arrangement is common for the methyl groups here. So in this case, for these two conformations, the stability will be same. The stability of third and fourth will be equal. Second is highest, while for one the stability is lowest. So when we have two substituents, we can compare the conformation, chair conformation here by this point. Okay. If we have suppose two OH group, then both conformation get more stabilized. In 1 and 4 position, if we will have two OH group, then they can take part in intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and then both is more stabilized in that case. आपको थोड़ा क्वेश्चन में करा दूंगा लास्ट में इस पॉइंट को. So anyway, it is taken the different cases of conformation, phenomena of conformation. For a molecule, we can draw infinite number of conformers. All are not much stability, not of same stability. The stability can depend on mainly 3 factors. When the compound is open chain, we can take 2 factors. One is taken steric strain and second taken torsion strain. While in the cyclic compounds, we will have one more strain called angle strain. So on the 3 factors, the stability can be explained of the given conformers of the compound taken. In your syllabus, we will have ethane, butane, cyclohexane, or their derivatives, replacing hydrogens by different groups. We can have different other compounds. On that based questions can be given, have been given in examinations. So that is about this topic taken, phenomena of conformation. Now we take configurational isomers. In them first we take geometrical and then we take optical isomerism.